The ability to visualize and communicate designs in 3D has long been a key value proposition of BIM for architects. With real-time realistic views in Revit 2021, architects can understand and assess the visual impact of their designs directly in the Revit authoring environment, enabling them to more easily communicate design intent with stakeholders and collaborators. This new feature replaces the previous realistic mode for all types of views and sheets, enabling you to design, modify, and document your building with realistic materials and lighting. Materials appear more convincing, and automatic lighting exposure removes complexity and confusion when moving from outside to inside the building. Best of all, view navigation is much faster and smoother, performing over 10 times faster than in previous versions. Walk through realistic models with your clients in real time. Work directly in better, easier, and faster realistic views in Revit 2021.